So I'm wearing my sleeping bag right now as a jacket scarf, and it's working very well. I've gotten a few comments already, but it's 39 degrees outside. Or no, it's 42, but it feels like 39. And my one long sleeve shirt is not gonna cut it, so this is the best idea I ever had. And the moon is looking good tonight, or this morning. So here we are at this rest stop getting coffee. Do you guys have anything to say? They have a swing. Buen Camino.
Look what they have.
Yes, it's like a hippie place. They have no Wi-Fi, and they have a piano and instruments inside. And dogs. Yes. Very cool.
And some kind of religious music, but without like cover of the bands.
This place is so cool. They have a teepee back here and a bunch of animals, and they just let them all loose. So we're in this really creepy church place, and they have babies hanging from the ceiling. So I found a place where I can buy a jacket, which is perfect, so I'm gonna buy one. So I bought this thin little jacket, and it was only $12.50, which is awesome. And it's good because it's not gonna weigh me down too much, but it's like a little bit warmer. And I'm walking to the grocery store to buy some food because I have food for tonight, but I need food for tomorrow because in the morning there's a 17-kilometer stretch with nothing, so I need to make sure I have lots of food for breakfast and snacks. I just bought 2 bananas and 2 nectarines that I can eat tonight and tomorrow for breakfast and for snacks. Family dinner tonight. Hello.
Hello. We eat rice.
We eat rice and salad. Crazy. All I've eaten today is rice. Does anybody have anything to say for my video? Anybody? Hello.
Okay, cheers for the photo.
Hello. Do you want to be in my video?
What?
We're already in your video.
You're in my video right now, but do you have anything to say?
What I say?
Whatever you want.
We met today, so
We met about 5 minutes ago.
yeah, it was nice.
We met like
we should
2
wait.
hours ago.
I'm going to do the same because then I have it. So
Oh, yes.
This is now in my video.
Perfect. Video on video. On video. Wow.
Video on
What
video.
was
Video
your
on
name again?
video. Stacia.
Stacia, Anastasia, right?
Yes.
You're from
I'm from the United States.
the United States. It was nice to meet you. Do you remember when we met?
I remember when we met. It was a whole 5 minutes ago.
So this food only took 5 minutes?
Yes.
My name is Pierre. I come from France.
Okay.
Hello. I want to make a tutorial how to put the cream. So if you can share and like and subscribe. First you put the cream in your finger. If you are something you take the cream. Now like this. Yeah, you see. You put the cream and you do this.
It's called massage.
When you don't see the cream, it's good. You can stop. So thank you. Like, subscribe.
Update.
Now the cream is starting to be finished.
Yes.
You take the capuchon.
You can
Yep.
see each other.
Put the and you go in the pocket.
Yes.
Finish the cream,
Oh, and I also
and you are in live.